Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fikro Khabar. You are watching Islamic World today. Hamas chief set to start first foreign tour. Anya's visit will include Turkey. Abbas opposed to opening of US field hospital in Gaza. Hospital planned to open in northern Gaza near Israeli border. Russia and Israel discuss cooperation on Syria. Putin and Netanyahu also discuss over phone Russian president planned visit to Israel in January 2020. 14,000 Mideast troop deployment flat out wrong. Pentagon, US never discussing or considering sending 14,000 additional troops to Mideast, say Mark Esper. 25,000 Syrian displaced in regime and Russian raids last week. Attacks target Idlib de-escalation zone in northwestern Syria, violating terms of ceasefire. Over 1,000 may have been killed in Iran protest, US. State Department has seen video of incident in which more than 100 people killed, says official. Iran frees US student in prisoner swap. Iranian scientist held by US was freed as a part of prisoner swap. Florida shooting suspect a Saudi trainee, says governor. Gunman kills 3 and injures 8 others before being shot and killed by deputies. Protest and trust deficit continues as Algeria set for polls. Protesters says they reject holding of December 12 presidential election under supervision of current political and military elite. Over 1,400 Daesh affiliates surrenders in Afghanistan. Interior Ministry claims security operation forced hundreds of terrorists in area near Pakistan tribal belt to surrender. India's foreign exchange reserves crossed $450 billion mark. After posting its highest foreign exchange reserves, India has import cover for over 11 months now. India, 4 accused in rape and murder case shot dead. Amnesty International says extrajudicial killing are not a solution to preventing rape.